Hi everyone! Well, Valentine's just a knock away. I've got a just to die for nail design that will make your heart go so cold. Yes, cold. It's a heart aquarium nail. I will be showing you step by step how I've created this nail. Girls that love long nails with bling bling, this video is just for you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And comment down below. Give me a thumbs up for this video. Thanks a lot. It means so much to me. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. As always guys, remember you need to prep your nails properly. No shortcuts if you want your nails to last long. And if you're going to use water in this nail or oil, you must be sure that you prep your nails properly. So we're going to start off by creating one bead on the back of an oval to use form, and you'll create the first side of the heart by dragging just the bottom bit of this bead down, just a little bit down, to create the point of the heart. Then you'll do another bead just the same size, a little bit distance away from the first heart. Then you'll join these together to make the perfect heart. Remember when you used to draw hearts in school? Well, this is the time to put that to use. So we'll do this and we'll make sure it's dried. Then we'll do another layer of hearts just to build up, so we can have like a depth. So when you put it in the gel, it will be thick enough to create that dome. So we'll do this about 2 or 3 times. As you can see, I'm building up more acrylic. Now we're going to go in with a small drill, but we're going to use a toothpick to hold the heart so we can dip it in the gel. We're not going to use an electric drill because it's going to break the heart. So we're going to use that small jewelry drill that you use to put dangling jewelry on. So we're gonna not gonna go straight through. We're just gonna make a little indentation so the toothpick can stand in there as you put the acrylic around it to hold it, so it becomes like a little mold. So we'll use this for our heart mold to create the heart aquarium. We're gonna wrap cling film or plastic around this bit, but before we do that, I think in this part we're gonna file and make sure everything's neat and soft and there's no lumps and bumps, and we're gonna buff over with a buffer, and it's 100 to 180 grit, and we'll buff over that and make sure it's smooth. Then you'll line your heart and you'll make sure you don't push straight through, because if you do, it's going to cover the whole entire thing and then it's going to snap. Reason why I've done that, and it's happened to me. So we're just going to go around the rim of the heart and you're going to cure that in the UV lamp. So here we're going to make sure that you're going to cleanse the nail properly by making sure you get all the gel residue off, and you're going to file the heart, the base of the heart, onto a old file to make sure it's flat and it's not uneven. Sorry. Here I'm just doing the heart shape in clear acrylic on the nail itself because I wanted it to be a see-through look. Eventually it got packed with a lot of stuff, but you'll get the gist of it. You'll see what I mean. So I'm going in here now using the Nonwipe tap free top coat from CJP, which is, I love this. It's absolutely amazing. So I'm going in with that to make sure that the heart is not sticky inside, and I'm also using it around the heart shape. I've dotted 2 dots of gel onto the nail itself. This I'll then cure in the lamp and make sure it's secure. I'll go around the perimeter of the heart with clear acrylic, making sure it's not inside of the dome itself or the aquarium itself. And I'll do this around both sides, but I'll leave a little hole so that I can insert the things that I need to go inside of the heart. So here we have it. I've done everything, and I've made sure that I'm filing the heart to make sure it's really smooth and nice. And I'm going in again with my 100 to 180 buffer, just to make sure the edges of the heart are smooth. So here we've got all the stuff that I'll be using. Oh, what's that? Get out of there. Okay, and that's a green stuff as well. I won't be using that. So I've got a bit of dry flowers. I've got everything in there. Eggshells. I've got a little hand like watch pieces there, and that created like a little arrow going through the heart. I've packed it in, and I'm gonna seal it up now, guys. So I'm gonna make sure I use a dry consistency, not a wet one, because you don't want it to leak in. If you're doing water as well, this would be a good idea to do water and oil. But I've chose to use a bit of glitter and a bit of like torn pieces. It just look a bit rough, vintage. So here you have it. I've done the aquarium. So now I've got an old bowl that I haven't used for a long while, and it's discolored, and I decided I'm going to put it onto the nail. So I've just placed two clear AB crystals. Sorry, it's not AB, is it? Okay, two clear crystals in, right. And I've just make sure that it's on the bow itself to just design it. So here I'm going in with the Nonwipe top coat from CJP, and I'm just making sure everything is all glossy and nice. And after I've sealed that under the lamp, I'm going around the sides of the heart with the silver chrome, just to give it a bit of shadow, that to show, you know, that there's a heart there and it's not just combined into one nail. You can see everybody's got their division. So here I've flipped the nail over, and I'm just putting the non-tacky top coat on the heart itself, and I'll be throwing the glow powder on that section only. And as you know, this is the way I chose to do all my glow designs. I haven't seen anybody done this. If somebody else have done it, well, I haven't seen that person. So here I'm doing a bit of unicorn paper, the one that I've created in my other video from the balloon weights. I'm using those on here as well, and it does complement everything. And as you can see, I'm trying out to see how it looks with none light and lighting. And I'm going in here with Miss You Jewellery Gel, just to keep the bow intact and the crystals. And I'll be using the top coat as well to go over it, because I am not going to wipe this nail at all. So I'll place the crystal in, and I'll bling. It's bling bling time, girls. This is the fun part of it. I love doing this part when everything comes together. Thanks for watching, guys, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you do want to comment below. Be nice to me, please. I'm new to YouTube, and it takes a lot of courage and time and effort to edit every video. Thanks for watching. Can you all suggest what I should call this look? The name of this nail? The song's about heart cold, and I think it's appropriate for the look of the nail. Please comment below, and thanks again for watching.